The Chao Phraya River snakes through Bangkok, a city alive with vibrant energy. Tuk-tuks buzz like mechanical bees, their horns a symphony of urban chaos. Street vendors tempt passers-by with fragrant bowls of noodles and sizzling skewers of meat. Amidst this sensory feast, listen closely. The true melody of Bangkok lies in the whispers of its language, Thai. Thai, a language spoken by over 60 million people worldwide, is more than just a means of communication. It's a gateway to understanding the rich tapestry of Thai culture and history. From the ancient kingdoms that once ruled these lands to the bustling modern metropolis of today, the Thai language has witnessed it all. Its lyrical tones and intricate script hold centuries of stories, traditions and beliefs. To truly grasp the essence of Thailand, one must venture beyond its stunning temples and idyllic beaches. One must delve into the heart of its language, where history comes alive with every syllable. Join us as we embark on a journey to uncover the fascinating story of the Thai language, from its ancient origins to its modern-day adaptations. The origins of the Thai language can be traced back centuries to the fertile valleys of the Yangtze River in southern China. Here, amidst lush landscapes, the ancestors of the Thai people cultivated their language and culture. Linguists believe that Thai belongs to the Thai Kadai language family, a group of languages spoken across Southeast Asia and southern China. The Thai Kadai family is vast and diverse, encompassing languages like Lao, Shan and Zhuang. These languages share common linguistic features, hinting at a shared ancestry. Imagine a family tree with Thai Kadai as the sturdy trunk and its various branches representing the individual languages. Thai, with its unique characteristics, occupies a prominent branch on this linguistic tree. As the centuries passed, the Thai-speaking people migrated southwards, seeking new lands and opportunities. They carried their language with them, planting the seeds for what would eventually blossom into the Thai language we know today. Their journey was long and arduous, marked by encounters with other cultures and languages that would leave an indelible mark on their own. Imagine sitting down to a family dinner, surrounded by relatives who speak different languages, yet understand each other perfectly. This is the essence of the Thai Kadai language family. While each language has its distinct personality, they share a common core that allows speakers to recognize familiar words and grammatical structures. Thai, for instance, shares a close bond with Lao, the language spoken in neighboring Laos. The two languages are so similar that speakers can often understand each other with relative ease. This linguistic proximity reflects the historical and cultural ties between the two countries. Similarly, Thai also exhibits similarities with other Thai Kadai languages, such as Shan, spoken in Myanmar, and Zhuang, spoken in southern China. These linguistic connections highlight the interconnectedness of Southeast Asia, a region where cultures and languages have intermingled for centuries. The Thai Kadai language family stands as a testament to this shared heritage, a reminder that even across geographical boundaries, linguistic ties bind people together. The beauty of the Thai language extends beyond its spoken form. Its script, a graceful dance of elegant curves and delicate loops, is a work of art in itself. Derived from the ancient Brahmi script of India, the Thai alphabet is an abugida, a writing system where each consonant symbol implicitly contains a vowel sound. Imagine learning to write in a language where the shape of a letter can change depending on its tone or pronunciation. This is the challenge and beauty of the Thai script. Its 44 consonants and 32 vowel symbols combine to create a symphony of sounds, each one imbued with its own unique character. Mastering this script is no easy feat, but the rewards are immeasurable. To read and write Thai is to unlock a treasure trove of literature, history, and culture. From ancient Buddhist scriptures to modern-day poetry, the Thai script has preserved the soul of a nation for generations. Its elegance and complexity reflect the sophistication of Thai culture, a testament to the enduring power of language.